everybody, welcome back. Today's book is Little Excavator by Anna Dewdney. William really loves this book and he's excited to share it with you today. So here we go. Here come the big rigs rolling down the street. Thumpa thumpa, bumpa bumpa, beep beep beep. And you see little E ready on the spot. He's the little excavator working on the lot. Wham goes the dozer, knocking down the walls. Rumble, rumble, crumble, crumble, fall, fall, fall. Little E is busy. He goes bam, bam, bam. Uh-oh, little excavator, now you're in a jam. Yeah. Grum goes the loader, lifting up the trash. Pusha, pusha, smusha, smusha, smash, smash, smash. Smashing the garbage. Little E tries lifting up some junk, junk, junk. But there goes little excavator over with a clunk. Oh no! He fell over. Boom goes a dump truck with a load to lug. Thunka thunka, clunka clunka, chug chug chug. Little E just wants to lug all day, day, day. Look out, little excavator, don't get in the way. Goes the backhoe digging in the dirt. Clang, clang, bang, bang, work, work, work. Little E is helping too. He can dig, dig, dig. Not yet, little excavator. Someday when you're big. Goes the tall crane rising to the sky. Whoosh, whoosh, swoosh, swoosh, high, high, high. Little E is stretching, he gets tall, tall, tall. Sorry, little excavator, you're too small. Now there's one last job and the busy day is done. But no big rig can do it, not a single one.
No.
Everybody tries it and it's much too tight. But can it be? Little E fits just right. Good job, little excavator. Time to take a bow. There's work to do just for you here and now.
That's my work.
Yep. You planted the apple tree. You may be small, little E, but you will grow. You're a mighty little excavator. Go, go, go. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed our book today. Please remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you real soon with our next book. Bye!